Okay, Juliana, do you know where are we going today? What's the festival coming now?
Diwali!
Very nice. Welcome to our new blog, guys. Okay, Juliana, do you know where are we going today?
I don't know.
What's the festival coming now?
Diwali!
So we are going to Diwali
Basically, lots of
festival. Yeah,
and we gonna have like popcorn and like.
yeah, we're gonna have
with,
popcorn, some rides, and some food. And let's see what they have. I don't know. First of all, we have to see whether we can get a car park there. You know, it's very busy. Okay, you wanna say something? You wanna say bye bye?
Bye bye, Tata. I'm really late.
Bye. Take care. See you soon.
Happy Diwali!
So. Anna, how was here? You like it? You like this festival? Let's go and we can see what we have. Don't open it, please. How many colors? Can you see the colors? You like it?